Information I didn't actually. Okay. In a pie chart, why are the slices sectors different sizes?
I think it's probably the third one.
Yeah, that's it. Yep, proportion, exactly. Okay, how are pie bar charts and Pareto charts related? Oh, okay. Is that the bars and Pareto chart are ordered largest? Yeah, I think it's the third one, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead with that. I mean, if we need to go back over and redo it real quick, that's fine, but I'm pretty sure that's the right answer.
Okay. Number 5.
Distributed. Is P the true proportion or the sample? Probably the sample proportion. I think the actual P is. Oh no! Sorry, is the P is the true proportion.
Oh, okay. Okay, and then what is N? The number of candidates, probably.
So what's the because the people actually participated?
Yeah.
Or the number of candidates in an election?
I think it's probably the number of candidates. No, the sample size. It'd be the sample size, okay. I bet.
As long as they haven't changed the meaning of it. So, okay. If P equals a quarter, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement? This one, I'm not sure. So I'm going to go in and look at the lesson real quick. Go over it. Scan over it and see if I can find that.
Okay.
Dude, okay, after this, I mean literally after this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to study the lesson. And I'm also going to study the lesson for the next one. Okay, so like, I know what the freak is going on.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, individual preparation. Textbook. And I'll go ahead and look over what time the other groups meet, and if I guess mornings work best on. Does either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, Thursday work for you? As long as it's morning time.
Yeah, I've got a class Tuesday and Thursday at 9:30, but other than that, as long as it's morning, I'm fine.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go ahead and look.
Okay.
I don't think there was that though when we all signed up, but okay. What was the question they were asking? Oh, if P equals okay, so like a requirement for the whatever that P thing is.
Yeah, so I think it's 4, but that's just a guess.
Let's see, probably. Oh, let's see. We can apply the central limit theorem to a sample proportion and conclude that C P hat follows a normal distribution if both of the following conditions are satisfied. So. Okay, no, never mind. That's something different. Why do you say 4?
Just because that's the smallest sample size that you could have in order to get 1/4. Does that make sense?
I don't know. Sorry.
Well, if you're getting a P of 1/4, the smallest, you couldn't have 3 people to get that. You'd need at least 4. But I don't know. I might be looking at it the wrong way.
Okay. I don't see it in the lesson where it's talking about that. But we can go with that. I mean, if you want.
Well, I mean, you can keep looking. I'm trying to find the answers to the next 2 within the lesson. It's a little challenging. Okay, and then the standard deviation.
Okay, you know, I'm just going 4, and I'm gonna try to help you out with these other ones because I'm not finding anything.
Okay, so I think 8 is 0.4, and I'm getting that from the textbook.
Yeah.
The Z formula, value minus mean, and the mean is just normal P, and they gave us the normal P is 0.4, so I think it's just 0.4. The standard deviation, though, I plugged it into the formula, but I'm getting an answer that goes to the 100th place, and it wants an answer to the 10th place, and so I'm trying to see if I did something wrong.
Can we just round it?
Well, you can't round it. It's 0.01. That's the answer that I got.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah.
So I just took 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4. So 0.4 times 0.6, which is 0.24, and then divided that by the number, which is 24. And
yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on. You know, I think it's probably just 0.1. I'm looking at this. Yeah, it's just 0.1.
Okay. So the p-value was 0.4. The mean, I guess,
The mean of it is, yeah,
was 0.4.
That's what I think. And then the standard deviation, I think, is 0.1.
Minus 0.4 again. Should be 0.6 above 0.1. I didn't do that right. My calculator. Screw it. Okay. Okay. So then that would be, let's see, the value was, did they give us the value? What is the mean of, suppose n equals 24 and p equals 0.4. Oh, yeah, right. P.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then, okay, yeah. Oh, well, yeah. Totally. So, yeah, 0.4 for sure for 8. And then standard deviation of p hat would be, you think it's 0.1?
I think so. I'm just looking at the example, the worked example 3.3.1.
Yeah, yeah.
And so you've got 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.6. So you get 0.24, and the number is 24. And so it's exactly like that, where it's this one would be 0.25 over 25, and then you're getting the square root of it. And so I think that it's just, I think it'd just be 0.1.
Yeah, and that's what they're showing too, is 0.1.
Yeah.
At the very end of the formula. Okay. Well, if that's the case, then this is a little more simple then. I mean, oh, wait. So do we have all the information we need though to put it to do the Z formula for question 9? Because see, we got. I mean, I don't even know what the p hat value is. So it's the value minus the mean over the standard deviation. Do you know what the value is in the first place?
I don't know. I don't know for sure.
Seems like we'd want that. Oh man.
Are you talking about 10?
No, I'm talking about 9.
9. Yeah, well, I think for 9 we don't need it because the standard deviation is just the denominator.
Oh. Duh. Yeah. Okay.
But we do have to find the p hat value for 10.
Yeah. Okay. So determine the probability should we get 1 in. Different hits in our next 100 at bats. Okay. Let's see.
So p hat equals x over n. I'm not sure what x would be.
X over n. Okay.
Maybe 35 over 100. 0.35.
Because of 35 hits. Yeah.
I bet it's 0.35.
That's probably it.
Okay, what's the standard deviation then? So that's going to be 0.21 over 100.
0.21 over 100. And you get the 21 because of...
I got the 21 because it's 0.3, and so it's going to be 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3, so 0.3 times 0.7. So 0.21 over 100. It wants us around to 3 decimal places, so I think it'd be 0.002.
Okay. All right, that sounds good. I honestly don't follow that, but I'm gonna go and I'm gonna study this lesson afterwards. So,
Okay.
and the next lesson, because dude, I have all day today. I'm gonna just study.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so the z-score then I guess is what we're gonna do these two values. So 0.35 over 0.002. Is that how it's gonna work?
The z-score?
Yeah, so 175.
So it'll be 0.35 minus 0.3 over 0.002. Oh, sorry. Wait, the standard deviation, I didn't even get the, it's not going to be 0.002. It's the square root of that.
Okay.
Square root of point, let me go back.
I got 0.044, well, 45, 0.045.
Square root of 0.0021. Yeah, okay, yeah, you're right. 0.046.
Would we do, oh, you got 6, 0.04. I got 0.045, but.
Oh, really? When you round it?
Yeah, because it was 0.0447, so I just rounded it to 0.044 or 0.04. 5.
Okay.
Would the top one be 0.05 then divided by 0.045? I mean, so the next question, because we're looking for the value of p hat, and then we do the value of p hat minus p. Is that how they do it?
I don't know. Hey, Daniel, do you think that we could put this on hold and get back to it in, let's see, would just after 5 work, or?
Just after 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah,
That'll give me time to study too.
I think we just need like 15 more minutes, but that way I don't feel quite as rushed and we can get a good grade on this.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, dude.
Okay, so
for sure.
we can just do a new Google Hangout recording when we get back to it later on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Thanks, Daniel.
All right. Thanks, Brady. Take care.
Okay. You too. We'll see you. Bye.
Thanks.